This stop is Airport Terminal 1.
베트남 친구가 있는데 한국에 샤인머스킷 가져오라고 해서 일단 가져갑니다. 이거는 점심 비행기가 애매한 시간이라서 일단 사놨습니다. 지금 가방에 마스크팩이 40장이 들어있습니다. Hello, how are you?
Yeah, fine.
Xin cháu.
Xin chào.
Xin chào. How are you? Good.
Good.
Yes. 샤인머스킷.
Okay.
And I'm tired. I was sleeping.
Tomorrow is gonna be very long trip. I think you're gonna have a big language. She can speak English.
Ah, okay. Hello.
But she's shy.
She's shy.
Yeah.
오늘 베트남에 왔습니다. 친구 만나러. 친구 집에서 얘기하다가 저녁을 먹으러 갈 예정이에요. 생선 튀김 먹으러 갈 것 같아요. 내일은 이 친구랑 같이 새벽부터 방지옥 폭포 그거를 보러 갈 것 같아요. 좀 멀어가지고 긴 여정이 될 것 같은데 친구랑 같이 다른 친구들이랑 다 같이 갈 예정입니다. 지금 하노이 시간으로는 6시 47분, 한국 시간은 8시 47분. 조금 피곤하긴 하네요. 지방러가 여행을 하는 건 참 힘든 것 같아요. 조금 쉬다가 저녁 먹으러 가겠습니다. 와우.
Anh ơi, xe đỗ kia được đúng không? Ép vào.
This. Fish.
And you park like this in Korea?
In Korea,
They
even more like that.
they do.
Yeah.
I mean, some places you can't do that, but
For this one, if you cannot eat it, we can ask for the
Fish sauce.
you dip.
Yeah. But this is smell is not easy, but it's. I mean, if you can eat it, you can enjoy it.
I mean, I can try.
You can try. But anywhere you want to
put
order.
and you can taste it if you want more. You can put more. Okay. Because it usually is salty.
It's salty.
So you can put more.
Okay, it's okay.
More, so it's not more salty.
Really?
You try it first.
You can
To
try.
see it's okay.
Yeah.
Floppy?
When you stir it, it's gonna be fluffy.
Oh, okay.
It's first time in Korea. Korea. Study in Europe.
Sour and salty and...
Yes, but then you dip with the fish is very good.
I mean, it's not bad.
You know, it's like blue cheese.
Oh.
First time when you eat blue cheese, it's like that. It's called mắm tôm.
Mắm.
Mắm tôm.
Mắm tô. Mắm tô.
First dish in Vietnam is chả cá. It's fried fish.
So this is a traditional Vietnamese.
They're specialized
They're
in,
special.
in this kind of food,
Okay.
in fish. Các bạn đừng nhắc, giống kiểu ăn trên Hà Giang.
Oh wow. Okay. Cháo chuối. This fish roll.
Oh,
Fish spring
okay.
roll.
Everything is about fish.
Cheers to Blackpink.
Let's try. What's the fish name?
It's hard to tell. It's because people from different regions call it different. So in Vietnamese, the North called cá lăng. It's a living mountainous river.
Many good food in Hanoi.
I heard there are many places in Korea now. Right?
There was a time that it was a trend. So many cool places.
So you guys want to go to a mountain area? Wow.
Waterfall.
He loves to go to the mountain.
I saw Korean YouTubers or other foreign YouTubers, they go to Bandung with the motorcycle. So,
Các bạn đây.
Well, Thác Bản Dốc, I haven't been there. Normally, I go to Hà Giang and Lào Cai. Lào Cai is where Sapa is located. I haven't been to Cao Bằng.
oh.
Hà Giang is also very beautiful.
Hà Giang and Lào Cai are two most beautiful mountain area
So the way to go there is a little bit like this.
And
Because
it's
of the mountain, right?
Yeah.
Hay là espresso làm 2 chảo.
She sent a picture. We are so afraid to go to the concert and it's so crowded. I'm so worried about it.
we are so worried about it.
I mean, yeah, it's dangerous.
Crowded.
You know what happened in
Itaewon.
Korea? Yeah, you know.
I'm scared too, but here it's like a stadium, and it's quite strictly regulated. So hopefully, I think it's good. Okay. This is for you.
I think
So
I
you can
know.
try.
Fish sauce.
I know this. I think, yeah.
Okay, let's try.
You can take a look at the business.
This is put this and this and this and this.
Put sauce on.
Yes.
Let's go.
You can eat.
Okay.
Okay.
Very simple.
Okay.
You can try.
Some peanut.
Okay. So that kind of vegetable you know, right? Do you know that kind of vegetable? No?
I don't cook either, so I don't know.
There are two parts. This one too.
Stomach. Fish stomach.
Commercial fish.
Okay.
Fish stomach.
It's good.
Good? It's one of the good food in Hanoi.
Exactly.
Oh, and in Korea, pho place was really trend, but then after that, banh mi
Bánh mì.
Bánh mì, huh?
became so popular everywhere. Banh mi. But I like there's a Vietnamese shabu shabu style. You know, with the rice paper, you dip in the water and then make a roll.
Oh yeah.
I
You
like
Kind of spring roll
I like that.
She like it a lot.
and many kinds of spring rolls.
You're gonna like the southern part of Vietnam. So they eat a lot in that way.
I heard Ho Chi Minh is very rich.
It's not like really like they have more money, but they spend more money. Like the northern people, they do more
Save more.
saving,
They save more and then they invest. That's why northern people are rich.
are richer. However, like
But they have to go to the south. You
to
know,
do business.
Okay.
If you go to the south, they spend a lot of money. So if you do some kind of visit to the south,
How you guys met? In Vietnam or in?
Vietnam,
In
secondary
Vietnam,
school.
he's in my secondary school.
Oh.
Second grade.
So you knew each other?
Classmate,
Classmate.
you know the social and then beer and then social inside farm.
Beer bomb. It has to be certain rate to be perfect.
They taught me to do that.
It's like more and more competitive in Korea, right? Recently.
Well, you know, it's competitive, but in life, in anywhere is competitive, no? It's just they experience earlier in school time, I think.
Yeah.
I'm gonna ask the number of the limousine for you, and then I will call to pick you up at my apartment. Is that okay?
Yeah. Accent, right?
Yes, maybe.
I see that all the time.
Oh, really?
Motorcycle is very dangerous.
Lái xe một lúc bị
Thân ngoài không, xe máy này là ấy chị ạ. And I went to Japan 2 times. One for study for 1 month. And the other travel with my family. But I still confused with the train. Yeah, the subway. I'm really bad at map.
Oh, really? Just follow the map.
I don't follow the map, but sometimes the line is up and down.
Oh, okay. Kind of confusing, huh? When the police come, you
No,
have
it's
to...
okay.
No, it's okay? Oh, okay.
Because now it's the weekend.
Oh, okay. Didn't he say 1 kilometer?
It's the long one.
Long one?